Welcome to Quantum eKYC walkthrough video. Visit https://www.quantumamc.com and click on the pop-up, I am an investor. Scroll to the footer below and click on Complete Modify eKYC under the Investor First header. You will be taken to new page. Complete the task and modify your eKYC in just a few steps. Click on Get Started. You will be taken to new page to fill in details like PAN card number, mobile number, and email ID. Click on the declaration checkbox and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP sent on your email ID and mobile number. Click on Submit. Enter name and DOB as per PAN records capture and click on the checkbox. Click on Proceed. Enter mobile OTP sent to the mobile number and email OTP sent to the email address. Select the KYC mode on the pop-up can be either Aadhaar OTP, eKYC, Aadhaar XML zip file, or DigiLocker Aadhaar XML. Select Aadhaar XML zip file. Click on Proceed and Aadhaar zip upload pop-up will open in your screen. Either upload Aadhaar XML zip file or click on link to download offline. Alternatively, you can go to www.myaadhaar.u.gov.in. Log in by entering your Aadhaar number without spaces. Enter the CAPTCHA. Click on Login with OTP. Enter the OTP received. Click on Login. On the next screen, you will see many different services. Select Offline eKYC. On the next screen, you will see two steps. Set code, download. Create a share code for a digit password for your offline Aadhaar. Click on Download. On the next screen, you will see that your offline Aadhaar zip file is downloaded for eKYC in the Downloads folder. Go back to our eKYC page where you will see the Aadhaar zip upload pop-up. Click on Upload and select the saved offline Aadhaar file. From the Downloads folder, enter the share code 4-digit password generated earlier. Click Next button. Take a photo. Screen will appear next. Follow the instructions mentioned there. Enter the verification code visible on the screen. Click on Take Photo while looking straight to the camera. Your face should clearly be visible in the center of the frame with proper light, and then click on Proceed. On the next screen, you will see 5 different sections. Basic Contact Fatika, Docs and Preview. Your basic details like father, spouse, marital status, gender, address, correspondence address will get auto-fetched from UIDAI records. Enter mother's name and other mandatory informations asked on screen. Verify your identify, permanent address, correspondence address, and contact details auto-populated on screen. You can provide audition contact details like office, residential, or fax numbers too. Click on Save and Continue. On the next screen, select Document Type Signature. Click on Browse to upload signature, or click on Capture from here. Screen, click on Capture 1, signature is clearly visible. Then click on Upload pop-up of success with Appear. Click Close to close the pop-up. Scroll down to check the list of documents uploaded and then click Save and Continue here. An option to view preview will appear. Select e-Sign mode. Confirm the e-Sign mode and select the identification mode. Mobile or email. Click on Preview Application. Check all the details in the preview, then click on the Declaration checkbox and click on Confirm for further e-Sign process. Screen will appear to authenticate mobile number. Click on Send Code to Mobile. Enter the security code received on mobile and click Submit. The client registration kit will appear. Check and scroll to the last page to verify your details and click on Sign. Now, you will be redirected to the DGO app page. Enter Aadhaar number, virtual ID number. Click on the Declaration checkbox and click on Send OTP. Enter OTP, send to your mobile number and email address linked with Aadhaar. Click on Verify and a message. Document signed successfully will appear on screen. You will be redirected to download your application as PDF for further procedures. Click on Download to save your application. Your application is submitted and will be received by us as an intermediary to validate and further approve to upload the application with documents on the KRAS website, and you shall receive an email confirmation at your email address.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.